Okay, Steph. Here's a long version of that Instagram I just did. Wait a minute. Snapchat, not Instagram. We're going backwards. First, Mabel. Mabel, say hi. You look so sleepy. Oh my gosh. And now we go to Reese's. Bed is still made. I think maybe a kitty cat got under the blanket. I'm not sure. Let's go to find Reese's. See if she went back to sleep. Oh no, she's still awake. Reese's, you want to say hi to Step on me? What the heck? Is she attacking a bug? Reese's. Hi, Reese's. Oh yeah, sleepy time. Let's go look at Eliza. Zachary, would you like to reveal the kitty lovin'?
What do you mean?
Well, I'm doing a video and I'm going to put it on Steffi's Facebook, which is what you should do too.
I don't even have Facebook down.
I know, but you can bring it. Oh, you don't have it on your iPod?
iPhone. This is an iPhone.
My bad. You know I'm not technically savvy like you. This is a
really?
sleepy girl. Oh
Really?
my gosh, Eliza.
Can you classify what kind of phone your phone is?
I think it's iPhone 6?
Yeah.
6S? I don't even know. Gosh, she is so comfortable. Okay, put her back. Night-night, burrito baby.
Burrito baby.
Let's go check out the swimming pool, Steph. Or, oh, I guess Reese's got sick of me. You know, she's eating. As you can see, the kitties are well taken care of.